Good morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Beau, and it's New Year's Eve 2022. We take a look at national radar and we see our storm system pulling away. Now, we did have widespread rain over the last 24 to 36 hours. Some locations received over an inch of rain. Others received less than that. We did have a complex of thunderstorms form along the Gulf of Mexico, and that helped to rob us of some of the moisture. When that happens, it blocks moisture from moving northward. Now, we zoom in a little bit and we can see as of 7 a.m. still some showers over portions of southwest Indiana, western Kentucky, and western Tennessee, some patchy drizzle elsewhere, and even some fog. Look back here behind the cold front, some snow over northern Missouri into Iowa. We don't have to worry about snow today. We take a look at the water vapor satellite, and you can see moisture streaming northward from the Gulf of Mexico into the southeast U.S., the middle Atlantic, and New England. That's our system that is pulling away from the region. A cold front through here will continue to move off to the east, and you can see some of that wraparound moisture as well. Look to the west. This will be our next storm system developing out over the west coast, and widespread heavy rain and snow over northern California. Some locations could receive over 100 inches of snow in the next 7 days. We call this an atmospheric river when the moisture continues to pour in to the Pacific Northwest. We take a quick look at temperatures this morning, and you can find the cold front 50s ahead of the front, well above seasonal averages. Our normal lows this time of year are around 30 degrees, so we are well above average this morning. And then back here you can see the colder air slowly moving in from the northwest, with Randolph County and St. Genevieve County already down into the 30s. You can see how the temperatures have fallen over the last few hours. We take a look at dew points this morning. Now, dew point is a measure of moisture, and that's usually an important ingredient when it comes to severe weather. Dew points right now are in the 30s and 40s in our area. No severe weather concerns. Typically during the winter months, we look for 58 degrees and above. Now, you can see that along the Gulf of Mexico, and that's important because our next storm system will tap into some of that moisture as we move into Monday and Monday night. And some of the showers and thunderstorms could produce heavy rain Monday afternoon and Monday night as this moisture moves northward, with a severe weather threat mainly to our southwest, but we'll keep a close eye on it in our local area as well. Let's take a look at the NAM model, and I'm going to show you precipitative water value. Now, precipitative water value is a measure of moisture that meteorologists look at when forecasting rain or heavy rain. I want you to notice our current storm system pulling away, but then that west coast one moves into the central U.S., and watch what happens as it pulls moisture rapidly northward from the Gulf of Mexico. Precipitative water values may end up being 300% above seasonal averages on Monday afternoon and Monday night. We'll stop here and you can see these yellow colors. Those are high precipitative water values, meaning that there's a lot of moisture, an abundant amount of moisture for showers and thunderstorms to tap into Monday afternoon and night. Locally heavy rain of 1 to 2 inches will be possible with this system. We see these isobars, those are equal lines of pressure, coming straight out of the Gulf of Mexico, which means there's going to be a lot of moisture for the showers and thunderstorms to tap into. We take a look at the NAM model futurecast radar, and we can see our current storm system pulling away the rain, moving off to the east northeast today, and then watch to the southwest as our next system takes shape, and it will begin to pull moisture northward from the Gulf of Mexico by Monday and Monday afternoon, with a few showers as early as Monday morning, but then increasing coverage as we move through the afternoon and evening hours, rapidly developing showers and thunderstorms, heavy snow to the north, some icing across southern Minnesota, Iowa, and Nebraska. Here's our area of low pressure. It will move northeastward, and that will tap into the Gulf of Mexico dew points, the moisture pulling it northward, and that will deliver us widespread rain with some locally heavy rain possible. As we move into Monday night, the low moves into northern Missouri and Iowa. A cold front will push across our region, and that will bring an end to the showers and thunderstorms. This will be a weakening band of showers and thunderstorms by early Tuesday morning, and all of that pulls away off to the east Tuesday morning into Tuesday afternoon, bringing an end to our rain chances. Some light wraparound moisture can't be ruled out Tuesday afternoon, but clearing is expecting Tuesday night into Wednesday. We take a look at our rainfall forecast, and again, we could have locally heavy rain Monday into Tuesday I know our last system underproduced, but this one will have quite a bit more moisture to work with. As I mentioned earlier, streaming in from the Gulf of Mexico, we will have pockets of 1 to 2 inches of rain, perhaps even higher if showers and thunderstorms train over the same area. We'll keep an eye on that, but the bottom line is widespread rain as we move into Monday afternoon, Monday night, ending Tuesday morning, with some overland flooding possible, meaning ditches filling up, fields flooding, sharp rises on creeks and streams, some rises on rivers, but nothing too significant. The main concern will be easily flooded areas. Those commonly flooded areas may have some problems Monday afternoon and Monday night. If thunderstorms were to train over the same area, if the system slowed down a little bit, then we could see rainfall totals exceeding 2 inches in some counties. No snow or ice in the forecast through next Friday. That's the good news, and we will have well above average temperatures to begin the new year. We take a look at the Storm Prediction Center severe weather outlook, and they have outlined our region for risk of severe weather Monday afternoon and night. This light green zone is general thunderstorms expected to be below severe levels, and the marginal risk in the dark green, and again this is for Monday afternoon and Monday night, that's a level 1 risk. The yellow zone is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms. That's a level 2 risk. And the enhanced risk, the highest risk on this map, is a level 3, extends from central Arkansas back into Louisiana, Texas, and portions of Oklahoma. Now, this event is still 3 days away, and the Storm Prediction Center continues to evolve the forecast. This has been adjusted some over the last 24 hours. They did have the severe weather risk all the way to Louisville the other day. Now they've got it back to about Cape Girardeau. So we'll see how this evolves over the next 72 hours. The bottom line is a few thunderstorms Monday afternoon, Monday night could produce strong and gusty winds. The bulk of the severe weather should stay to our southwest. If dew points were higher locally and we had a little more surface-based cape, then I think we would have a severe weather risk. For now, it looks like the bulk of the severe weather stays to our southwest, with some risk perhaps across southern Missouri into western Tennessee that we'll have to monitor. Again, this is 3 days away, and these outlooks oftentimes can change even the day of an event. So monitor updates, stay tuned, and as more data becomes available, I'll continue to update the forecast. Don't forget to subscribe to Weather Talk at weathertalk.com. Once you subscribe, then go to the App Store and download the app. And it is under Weather Talk in the App Store. So first subscribe at weathertalk.com, then go to the App Store. You can pick and choose the products you want to receive on the weathertalk.com website. That's also where you'll enter your phone number and the counties that you would like to receive alerts for, social media alerts, when I do a Facebook Live, all of that good stuff, that goes to the app. So weathertalk.com first, and then go to the App Store and download the weathertalk.com app. I wish everybody a happy new year, have a safe new year, and I'll continue to update the forecast as more information becomes available. Have a great day.